Here at Next Level, we see this all the time. Knee and hip pain that just kind of creeps in and starts to limit your life. We're here to walk you through how we help adults right here in Dubai get their movement back with more strength, more flexibility, and a whole lot more confidence. So let's dive in.
It usually starts really small, doesn't it? That little ache when you stand up, maybe some stiffness on the stairs, or maybe that walk you love to take around JBR or the Marina just doesn't feel as easy as it used to. These are those little whispers from your body, telling you something's not quite right with how you're moving.
And this is so important. It's something we really emphasize in our clinic. Just waiting and resting is almost never the answer. So many people think, oh, I'll just take it easy. But whether it's arthritis, an old injury, or some kind of imbalance, these things need an active, targeted approach if you want to see real, lasting improvement.
Okay, so when that pain does start to really get in the way, who are the people we see walking through our doors? Well, it's everyone. It's busy professionals, active adults, seniors, people from all over Dubai who realize this isn't just a minor thing anymore. It's actually stopping them from living their life.
So take a look at this list. Does any of this sound familiar? That nagging stiffness in the morning, or feeling a bit unstable when you try to exercise. These are the exact challenges we are built to handle. And we get it. It's not just about the pain itself, is it? It's about everything that pain stops you from enjoying.
So, where do we even begin? Well, the foundation of everything we do here at Next Level is a really thorough one-to-one assessment. We're not just going to glance at your sore knee or hip. No way. We look at the entire system, the whole picture, to figure out what the real source of the problem is.
In that very first session, we get right to it. We'll talk about your history, sure, but then we're going to get you moving. We'll watch how you walk, how you squat, we'll test your strength and flexibility, but this is more like detective work than a checklist. We're hunting for those little compensations your body has been making, because that's usually where the true cause is hiding. And here's our promise to you. You will walk out of that first session with total clarity, no confusion. You'll understand exactly what we found, why you're feeling this pain, and you will see the step-by-step path we're going to build together to resolve it. All right, so once we have that clear diagnosis, we can map out your path to recovery. This is where we take all that great information from the assessment and design a rehab program that's 100% customized to you, your body, your lifestyle, and your goals. Now, your plan is going to be a dynamic mix of techniques. We might use some hands-on therapy to get you some immediate relief from pain and stiffness. Then we combine that with super specific exercises to strengthen the muscles that are supposed to be supporting your joints. It's all about restoring motion, rebuilding stability, and pretty much re-educating your body on how to move correctly. And this right here is a perfect example of why our approach is so important. In our clinical experience, we see this constantly. A client comes in with knee pain, but the problem isn't the knee at all. So often, it's actually caused by a weakness in the hip that nobody ever looked at. When we fix the root cause, the results are so much better and they actually last. Okay, let's tackle the big question we hear all the time. People always ask, but wait, are these exercises going to make me hurt more? And that is a totally understandable fear. When you're in pain, the last thing you want to do is something that might make it worse. Let me be absolutely clear about this. Our job is to get you out of pain, period. Every single exercise we give you is carefully chosen to build strength and support around the joint, which actually reduces the strain and ultimately makes the pain go away. So, let's get to the good stuff. What does success actually look like? What are the tangible results you can expect when you commit to your program with our team? Of course, it's about less pain, but it's really so much more than that. It's about getting that freedom back to move easily. It's about feeling stable and strong on your feet again, having the confidence to go play with your kids, and for many, it's about finally being able to stop relying on pain medication. And the best part? This doesn't have to be a long, drawn-out process. When we target the right issues from the start, many of our clients start to feel a real noticeable improvement within just the first few sessions. To wrap things up, I want to share what's at the heart of every single assessment and treatment plan we create. It all comes down to our fundamental commitment to you and your recovery. This is what defines us. Our entire team is made up of experienced DHA-licensed physiotherapists. Your sessions are always, and I mean always, one-to-one focused completely on your goals. We provide integrated, hands-on care, and of course, our multilingual team is here to support the wonderfully diverse community we have in Dubai. So the final question really is for you. If this pain is holding you back, if it's limiting what you can do and just affecting your quality of life, isn't it time to take that first step? Are you ready to find out just how much better you can feel?